Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Can we check yours?
yeah,
Have you done anything? Okay.
yeah, yeah. Like here I've added the another part of the code, like adding the item details. If I execute this one, yeah, item data will be displayed. And another one, like created a report like this, like
Okay.
quantity in between this, the charge will be 730.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. Like I have a small like doubt here, like in this one, like in connections, like I am getting an error while using this one.
Mm-hmm. 1 minute.
Like what
Uh,
is the data which what represents data here?
okay, can you
Like the
execute
three
now?
values I'm getting.
Okay, can you execute now? I didn't see the error properly.
Like the
So,
three, four lines are a little bit
wait.
confusing.
Okay. Okay. Um, Pavan, okay.
Yeah,
We
ma'am.
need to send the data in different format based on the API document. The data in during the training session, I have added data because in CRM, if you want to create something, you have to give the map in a data variable. Okay, so what you have to do is now you are trying to create a ticket in desk, right? So go to Google and say Zoho desk create ticket integration task, or else you just paste desk.zoho.com API v1 ticket. Go to Zoho desk API document. Zoho desk API document. Just in a new tab. No, 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 a new tab. Keep this open. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Mm. Now come down, scroll down, scroll down. Tickets. Yeah. Cause we'll scroll down little. Create a ticket. Come down. No, no, on the left hand side there is a scroll, right? Yeah, create a ticket. So here, how you wanna send the data? You don't need to send the data into the data model, right? You can directly post the map as well. So go there.
Yeah, like I have tried
Just
in this. Shall I remote all this?
yeah, just give map A 15, line number 15. Yeah, map A. Save and run. The data is in validation restriction. One నిమిషం, 1 minute. Invalid data type of the contact ID was does not. Okay. Data type. Okay. Contact ID. It should not be Pavan. Go to Geodesk, desk.geo.com. Okay. Desk.geo.com. Okay. Go, go, go. Oh, it's okay. You can directly. Okay. Here, some here. Go. Excuse me. Sorry. Go to customers at the top. No. Close this. Customers. Okay. Pavan. Click on Pavan. At the top, you are getting some ID, right? In the browser URL. Can you take that ID?
This
239.
one.
Yeah, I think that is the, yeah, copy. And in the map you tried, instead of Pavan, you have to give that ID. Pavan, you have, yeah, give that ID. Executed. Okay, close this. In the URL, if you see, you have used desk.zoho.com. It should be desk.zoho.in because you are in, you check the browser URL. Your account created in .in domain. .in, yeah, execute. Department ID you need to pass, I think. Yeah, you have to get the department ID first. Go to API document. First, we will write department. Under department. No. Go to the left hand side menu. Something called departments. Yeah.
ID so
Channel, above tickets channel, then departments. Yeah, click on it. We will get list departments. We will write API to get all the, yeah. So in your for connection, you have to give this scope also. Desk dot setting dot read or desk dot basic dot read.
which one?
Go to connections in our creator. Go to microservice created.java.com in a browser. Okay, can I teach you in can I share my screen and teach you how to do
Yeah,
that?
yeah, okay.
Okay, sure. Oh, yeah, browser is closed. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, I think I don't know when it is closed. Can you give me your login? I think it was some
Yeah,
here.
it's
Can I get the OTP now, please?
double five,
Sorry, come on, double
double
five.
five,
Mm-hmm.
92,
Nine,
92, 2,
nine,
56,
56,
9.
69. Okay. 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 Backdoor connection. You have enabled Alex. Okay, it should work. Okay, so what you have to do is go to order management. Flow function. What is the function name here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So first we will get all the department from
No, it's
Zoho desk. Okay. So go to departments, list departments. So what is the URL? This one, right? So invoke URL response. So this is, it should be dot in. Okay, type is this type you have to see from here. If it is get, you have to use get. If it is post, you have to use post. Put, you have, if it is get means you are going to get the data from that. Post means you are going to create something. Put means you are going to update something. Okay. Desk connection. Don't need these two for get. So if I put info rise. It is not connected. Okay. So if we execute now, Chugo.com API lists. You don't have any department in this, I think. No, it should be a predefined department. Okay, here. This is the department list, okay, from your Zoho desk. So the ID is this one, department ID. Okay. So we can keep this in a variable. If you have multiple department, then you need to specify in which department you are going to create this ticket. Okay. If you go into desk, I think you know what is department, right? I mean, have you learned anything in desk during training session?
no, I just created some tickets. But I don't know about this department. Like,
Okay, in Java desk there is an option called there is some option called department. Okay, so you can segregate the tickets based on departments. Let's say you are creating order management, right? So customer support is one department. Okay, let's say someone is inventory management is some department. Okay, so you can create a department, multiple department under Zoho desk. You can assign a ticket based on the department. If it is the query is related to order, then you can assign the ticket to customer support. I mean, you can create the
Okay.
ticket under customer support department. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay. So now we are going to create a ticket, create ticket, department ID, right? So we need to pass the department. Okay. Oh, department ID. This one. Okay. What are all the things you need to create a ticket? Let's check. So you need to pass the organization ID. So you know what is organization ID? If you go here, company, some API things should be there. Yeah, under API, you can find your organization ID. This is for organization ID. Okay. So you have to create one header map. Here, if you see the API document, they pass the organization ID in header, right? If it is something like this, then you have to pass that in header. Okay. Authorization you don't need to do because you are using connection. So you don't need to do this authorization for now. Okay, if they mention something like -h, then you need to pass those values in header. Okay, if it is D, then you have to pass those values in data. Okay. So in header map, dashboard, what does that arc ID? ID values, this one. So this one type parameter, header, header is equal colon, header map. It goes, I know that's okay. So let's see the ticket is created now. Okay. So if you go into here and check the ticket. This is the one you create, which we created now, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So its ticket is created. You have, Pavan, you have to follow this API document first. Okay. You have to know what it is. So if it is H, then you have to pass it in header map. So you have to create a new header map and all the necessary data. Then you have to pass it under headers. Okay.
Oh, these are mandatory fields like.
Yeah. In desk, it's mandatory, I think. Yeah, you have to pass the organization ID. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
then you can try and pass all this data actually. Okay, now you
Yeah, okay.
understand how to create this. So you try. Yeah, this is how you have to try new APIs. Okay. Okay. The thing, now you understand this, right? Do you have any other question or query?
Yeah, no, ma'am. I will try it. I'll try to do this.
Okay, perfect. So I need to teach you a couple of things today for you. Okay. So, do you remember, in when now you know what is CRM, what is disk and everything, right? So, do you remember when I was trying to teach you, sorry, show code dot in the builder, there is something called integration field. If you go here, you can see something called, see here, can you see integration? Okay. So I didn't teach you initially because I want you to learn what is CRM desk before we move into this. So if you track this integration field, okay, it will ask you a couple of things. Okay, the first one is from which service you want to display this field. Let's say I'm going to get the data from Zoho CRM. Okay. So you don't have any data source connection, Zoho CRM connection. Okay. From which module you want to display the data? Let's say I want to display the data from accounts module. Then you have to choose the accounts module. Then create connection and then which field you wanna display. Let's say I'm going to display the account name. Okay, this is account. Okay, so if you go here and access this application, in this field, it will bring all the account name from CRM and display it here. Okay, you don't need to write, API to get the data and add it in a field now. If you want to display some data from other products, so other services, then you can use integration field. Okay, this field will help you to get data from that module and display it here automatically. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
so if you
It's
go
like a
into,
lookup field.
sorry, come again.
It's like a lookup field, like
Yeah, it's a basically it's a lookup field, but you are getting the data from different sources actually.
different
If you go
applications.
here and go into accounts module, accounts module. So you have all these names, right? These names are displaying here. Okay. So let's say if you want to create, let's say you want to create some order for these accounts, then what you can do is create a integration field from accounts module in order form. Whenever an order is created, you can sign, you can add that order under this account. Have you learned about related list during your training?
Related list.
Uh,
I haven't
in
heard about
CRM?
this
During,
related
okay.
list.
Yeah, related list. Okay, related is nothing but whenever you open some data, see you can see the product code and sales, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
these are all the data are associated with this account. See
Account
this
entry.
closed activity. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am, I got it. Like all the activities related to this account,
Yeah.
that
So
will like
you
this.
can, yeah, you can do that actually. In CRM, there is an option called, you can embed, create a report as a related list here. Okay. So if you see here, we have integration field here, right? Accounts. So if you go here, okay. So developer space A1. How to export this document here. This is what you have to create the integrations in CRM. You can embed Zoho creator form or report into Zoho CRM. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Let me search that. I don't know under which menu it's there. 1 minute. Let me check. CRM integration extension. I think your trial version is still there, right? Set up marketplace. Where is marketplace? Thing called marketplace in our account. Marketplace is not there.
I
You
think,
have trial period, right?
yeah, yeah, it's, I think it's like a demo, so that's why there are no all these functions. I think it's just a free trial. That's I think.
Even in trial, you should. It's Zoho one, right?
Yeah,
Okay, 1 minute. Let me check client account. We have marketplace. Yeah, here see on menu is not there in our account.
yeah.
I don't know why.
I think
Under
it's
mark,
it is in a Zoho one. I think Zoho one.
you don't have Zoho one. The trial account is in Zoho one only, right?
Yeah, yeah. I've seen this one. I think in Zoho one account as this. Which,
The one which I'm using it is not a Zoho one. No, you gave me some login, right? Your login, Pavan login. That
yeah,
is also
yeah,
Zoho one, right?
yeah, yeah. same credentials in that one.
Mm, okay, I don't know why it's not there. Okay, check it. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not available under that, but if you see here under marketplace, then hello Pavan, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so if you go into this Zoho Mass Marketplace, under Marketplace, there is option called Zoho, right? Okay, this is client account, so I cannot do anything, but I'm just going to show you build custom apps. If you click on it, it will give you all the application under creator account. Okay, so you can choose which application you want to display. Okay, then then you choose which report you want to display. Okay, if you have an integration field, then what will happen is when you click on this account module, account data, let's say you created one record for this account. Okay, so when you open this account in CRM, you will get what are all the record assigned to this account will be displayed under that account as a related list in Jogo CRM.
yeah. If we create it, will be added in this Zoho CRM.
No, you have to create this set. You have to set this up first.
Oh,
If you do this setup, then what are all the data you added under that account, created under that account will be added as a related list.
okay. It reflects in the CRM application.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's-
Okay. So flowing data between CRM and creator is not that much difficult. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so you have to try all those things, but I'm not. You create one more test account, Pawan. If you have one more email ID,
yeah,
create another test account and try. Okay,
yeah. Okay, ma'am.
okay. So you try this API thing, and then you have to know how to connect this creator and CRM also. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
and tomorrow, so up to what we have completed the order management, Pawan. So we have created shipping charge and everything, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So now you do the inventory management also. In that way, you will know how to update the data and everything. So create another form, or you can create a set of fields in product module itself. Okay. So whenever an order is placed for that product, you should increase, I mean, you should decrease the
Invent.
that inventory. Okay.
Okay.
The same way we will create a purchase module in upcoming days. So when you create a purchase order form, when you purchase something, the inventory should get increase actually.
Yeah.
When you
Yeah.
yeah, when you do
Yeah. But
sale, it should decrease. When you do the purchase, it should increase actually.
yeah, but the trial account is going to end. It's going to expire in one next 1 week. I mean.
Yeah, it's okay. Create a new one and export this DS file and import it. We will learn that too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Anything else, Pavan? Can you do this tomorrow? the
Yeah, ma'am.
inventory as well as learn the ticketing and everything if you want to learn. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Anything else, Pavan? I'll teach you tomorrow. I'll check the inventory and then I'll teach you the purchase order module.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Let's see tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.